Here, inside second row, Glenn Cox, as the field comes down the main straightaway prior to a start. This is heat number 1, to be run over a distance of 10 laps. 10 laps for heat number 1 of the Australian Speedcar Championship. Michael Meyer on the pole. Outside front row, Gavin Lear from New South Wales, driving the Bruce Lear entry car number 73. Also there is Glenn Cox. And the field now coming down the main straightaway to take the green flag, and we're underway in the Australian Speedcar Championship for 1989 as the field moves on through there. Jeff Bowie there in the number 87 car, also Ron Glazebrook in car number 29 as we watch the field come off turn number 4 to complete the first of 10 laps. And running down the main straightaway, a gaggle of cars there. One going through is Ross Miller, also Graham Jones and Jack Berry in the number 68 car there. Graham Jones on the high line as they run down the main straight. Ross Miller in the number 23 car as we watch Graham Jones scooting high around the outside in the number 4 car coming onto the main straightaway. Jeff Bowie tailing out the action, however, as the field comes down past the main grandstand. Jack Berry there in the number 68 car looking for a run through on the inside. One getting a little out of shape there as one goes up onto the high line as the field continues on through. This is heat number 1 of the Australian Speedcar Championship as we watch Jeff Bowie on screen there as they come down the back straightaway now. Meanwhile, checking the action at the head of the field, and here's where the interest is at the front running, and the 2 lead cars. Car number 66 driven by Michael Meyer, and it looks like the number 14 car there just trying to pick up its car number 14, which is Keith Hutton at this stage, or is it Neville Lance? We're just checking on those 2 drivers as they run, but certainly Michael Meyer involved in the early leadership battle there as the rest of the field streams on through down the back straightaway. There's Graham Jones on camera, Jack Berry also going through there. Jeff Bowie in the number 87 car also there at the near the rear of the field. Glenn Cox doing a fine job too. Also Gavin Lear not out of contention, Jack Berry there. And Graham Jones now persisting with the high line once again and goes around the outside of Gavin Lear. A good move there by Graham Jones. That moves him up 1 more position, and now he's up onto the tail of Glenn Cox looking for a way through on the inside, and now takes over another, that should put him up into 3rd position at this stage. A good drive from near the back by Graham Jones, driving for Kim Ledger and the Mobile Racing team. Also there too, Darren Power in the number 9 car, Ron Glazebrook and Jack Berry. Not too many more laps remaining in the opening heat. Checkered flag just about set to be unfolded as they come through, and a good win it looks like going out to Michael Meyer. We'll check the minor placings. Next one through will be Graham Jones, and followed through by Glenn Cox, Gavin Lear, Darren Power. That was the order as they crossed the finish line in heat number 1, but a good win going out to Michael Meyer. Car number 66